Hello dear all. Let's see how you can use OBS for recording your lectures with PPT. So for that, first you have to download OBS. So type OBS on your browser like Google or Firefox. Then click on this link, Open Broadcaster Software. So when you click on the link, it will ask you for the download of the software. So if you are using Windows operating system, click on this link. If you are using Mac, then click on this link for download. And if you are using Linux, then click on this link. So as I am using Windows, so I'll click on the link to download OBS file for Windows system. So once it gets downloaded, click on the file to open it and then install the file, and then follow all the steps by clicking on next to install OBS on your PC. So as I have already installed this OBS on my PC, so I'm open it from my PC. So click on the OBS software and this application will open in your desktop, right? Now how you can use PPT for recording your lecture. So I'm going to demonstrate that. For that, what you have to do is just create some scene here in this OBS, right? So for that, click on this positive button and it will ask you for some scene to name, right? So let it be scene number 6 only, and if you want to name it, you can rename this scene, right? And click on OK. So this is scene 6 which you are going to use, right? Then you have to choose the source, right? For recording your PPT. So click on this plus button. So when you click on plus button, so these options will appear, right? So from these options, click on window capture, right? So before choosing this window capture, what you have to do is just open the PPT which you want to record, right? For example, I want to record PPT, right? So I'll just click on my PPT. I have already opened this PPT and I'm going to just enlarge this, right? And then come back to the OBS and click on the positive button, plus button, and choose window capture. So when you click on window capture, it will again ask you to rename it. So let it be window capture 2 only, and click on OK, right? So when you click on OK, a new window will appear, and in this option window, right, click here and this drop down arrow and choose this PowerPoint, which PowerPoint you have opened, right? So click on here. So see, now this PowerPoint is visible on OBS system. And then capture method, it can be automatic or you can choose it as Windows 10 1903 and up, or you can leave it as automatic only. Then click on OK. So now your PPT is ready to record. Now what you have to do is some adjustments, right, for the this screen, right? So if you want that your PPT should appear on this whole screen, which is black in color, right? See, so it should cover this whole black screen, right? For that, what you can do is click on, hold down your shift key from the keyboard and click and drag with your mouse to cover this entire black screen, right? Now, if you want to record your PPT on slideshow mode, what you have to do is just we have to set small settings on your PPT. So just come back to your, just minimize this OBS for the moment and come back to your PPT which you are going to record on a slideshow mode, so that all the animations are visible while you are recording for your lecture. So for that, what you can do is on the menu bar, click here on the slideshow. On the menu bar, click on the slideshow, right? and go to Setup Slideshow. When you click on Setup Slideshow, a new window will appear, this pop-up will appear, and here the selected item is presented by a speaker, full screen, right? But you have to click on Browsed by an individual window. If you click on Presented by a speaker, full screen, then when you go to the slideshow mode, it will cover all the, it will appear in a full screen mode and you won't be able to see the OBS system, right? So for that, you have to choose this, Browsed by an individual window, and by choosing this, animations will also appear. Then click on OK, right? All right. So go back. Now you can go to the slideshow, right? Click on the slideshow. If you want to start your slideshow from the beginning, you can click here also, or you can start your slideshow from this icon also. So click on slideshow. So now your PowerPoint will be on a slideshow mode. Now click on the OBS system which you have already opened and set for the recording, right? So click here. Now see, now in this window you see that this black portion is appearing and you do not want to record this black screen, the sides of this PPT as black, right? So what you can do is just press, hold down Control and Alt key simultaneously and click and drag with your mouse to crop this black portion. Control and Alt key, by holding Control and Alt key, just click and drag with your mouse to crop the black portion, and then hold down the Shift key and cover this whole screen by clicking and dragging your mouse, so that the whole PPT will cover that black screen, right? Now you can start your recording. So for that, what you can do is, see here in this OBS system, there is controls on the extreme right hand side. So here is the recording. So I actually already clicked on the recording and it gets recorded actually. So click on the start recording from here. So when you click on the start recording and just minimize the OBS, and now your screen is going to record, and whatever you are going to speak, that will also be recorded while you are on the OBS. So, and from the right and left arrow keys, you can just change your slide to the next slide, and while just explaining your lecture and go on to the next slide, or you can show the animations as well from the left or right arrows on your keyboard, right? So in this way you can record your PPT and you can record your lecture while using the PPT. So once you are done with your recording, click on OBS again to maximize it and click on the stop recording button, right? And when you stopped recording your lecture, go to the file and click on show recordings. It will show you the recorded video on the folder where it gets saved, right? So for example, my recordings get saved in my PC folder and videos folder. So here is the recording which I have recorded just now. It will appear with the date and the time as well, right? So here is my recording. So this is the recording which I have recorded, right? So you can see this recording. Recorded video which I have recorded. So while you are recording on the OBS, you have to just make sure that on this audio mixture mode, this audio mixture, if you are recording your desktop audio, it should be, it should be maximum, right? Or if you do not want to record your desktop audio, just cancel it, right? Or minimize it, or leave it as such, right? And if you want to record your own voice, then this mic should be on, right? It should be to the maximum volume or whatever volume you want to adjust. So make sure this should blink, this should be live when you are recording on your OBS. So your mic should be on, right? So these things you have to take care. And thank you so much. So I think you will be able to use the OBS for recording your lectures using PPT. Thank you so much.